Welcome to the second part of how to save, load and write basic programs on different vintage computers. This video is about the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. You are looking at the main screen right now, which runs in the Fuse simulator. But for the keyboard I use the recreated ZX Spectrum keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard which looks like a real ZX Spectrum. It has the same shape and size as the original one. I will show you. Here's the keyboard with the authentic rubber keys. They feel like the original ones and also behave like them. What I mean by that, they do not always work. Sometimes you have to press them several times to get a hit, which is accurate for the Spectrum. On the back side, let me show you. You have the power button, one LED, a pair button for Bluetooth synchronization. The layer button is for switching between the Spectrum or normal mode, and the USB connector for charging or using it as an USB keyboard. The fun part is the layout of the keys. Take a look here. You have the P key, which is also the print command, the tab command, the copyright sign, and a double quote. For example, the I is also for the input command, add command, in command or code command, and of course the I itself. So you have all the basic commands here in the layout. I'm entering the command line 10. You can see here with the cursor here with a blinking K, which means keyword. When I hit the P button now, it automatically prints a print command. Now the cursor here changed to L, like letter. When I press P now, it will print a P. When I hit caps, shift and P, it's an uppercase P. Symbol shift together with a P, is in double quote. With caps shift and symbol shift, you're entering the extended mode. The P is now the tab command. Back in extended mode with caps shift and symbol shift, and holding down the symbol shift with P gives now the copyright sign. There's also a caps lock mode. C like caps lock, and every character is now in uppercase. And there's also a graphics mode. When you hit, we have the graphic signs. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, the keyboard is really fun, especially when you run it in an emulator and don't have the Spectrum keyboard. It's possible with a normal one, but you have to look at least at the ZX keyboard picture, which is actually integrated in the simulator. Okay, let's go on with the program. I will do the same examples as in part 1, the famous Hello World program. Hello World. Line 20, go to 10, run it, works fine. And now I have to format the microdrive cartridge. There's a command for it. Caps shift symbol, extended mode, symbol shift and 0 gets the format command. You have to specify it's a microdrive and unit 1. You can have actually up to 8 units. I think it's 8. I have to check this. And let's name it demo. And hitting return. The flickering is normal. Okay, that's formatted the tape. Let's do directory listing. It's extended mode with caps shift and symbol shift and the button 9. Drive 1. And you're getting here the name and the kilobytes, 90 kilobytes free. Let's save the program. If you want to save it on a tape recorder, you just hit save and specify name. Hello. Hit enter and you could record it to tape. But we want to save it on microdrive. Let's hit save. You have to make a difference between a tape save and microdrive save. You do it with an asterisk. Asterisk is shift symbol B. Yes. Microdrive unit 1 and specify name. Hello. Hit enter. And the program is saved. Yep. Hello, and now there are only 89 kilobytes free. Let's edit the hello world. Okay. Let's do an exclamation mark. Save the program. No, the wrong key. Here it is. Microdrive 1 and hello. And it can't save the file because the file saved is read-only. You have to specify another name or just delete the old file. Well, in this case, the program is small, we just delete the old file. It's caps shift, symbol shift, and shift symbol 7. We don't have to specify an asterisk because there's no erase for the tape drive. Just microdrive, unit 1, and hello. Return. File is erased. Save the program. Microdrive, unit 1. Hello. Enter. Now it's saved. Let's do the test and load the program. Microdrive 1 and let's load it. Run and it works. Good. The next test, square root program. Let's write a new program. Let's do a loop. 1, 2, 10. Print square root of I equals equal is here. And where's the square function? Square function. Ah, here. Okay, caps, shift symbol, extended mode, and button H. Square, I. Next, I. Let's give it a try. Okay, it works. Let's write it to a text file. Open, where's the open? Open, caps, shift symbol, open. File handler 4. Microdrive. Unit 1. And the name, let's call it squares. Okay. Editing the line 20. Four. Four is actually the first file handler you are allowed to use. 3 is for printer, 2 is for the screen, 1 is for the keyboard, and 0 is for lower part of screen. Okay. There's a problem with the basic of the ZX, that it can't handle end of files in a program. There is no on arrow end of file, go to line X, Y, Z. I've seen several possibilities. One is peeking around some addresses to check the content of a buffer, or even writing an assembler program which you put in memory. And the simplest one is to write some kind of mark to the end of the file, like this. I put an ASCII code, 2 ASCII codes, 0. Where's the... here. Shift symbol, caps shift symbol U. No? Again. Ah, yeah, it's caps shift symbol and just U. Here we go. The plus is here. No? Yeah, the keyboard is fun. Plus is shift symbol K. And shift symbol caps shift U and 0. And just close the file handler. Caps shift symbol. And shift symbol, or symbol shift 5. And closing number 4. And saving the program. Micro unit 1, and let's call it right square. And let's run the program. Let's check the directory. There it is, squares. There is a command. We can actually check the content of a file with a move command. Move, you specify microdrive, 1 squares, and you're sending it. It's not a move, it's actually a copy. You're sending it to device number 2, which is a screen. And here we have the result and our end of marks here. Let's write a program for reading the text file. open microdrive 1, no, squares, input the first line, the comma is, no, I want to semicolon is here. Let's put it in L. And we have to check if there's an end of file. The if L is different. Where's the difference? Here. That's symbol shift W. Yep. And okay. My friends. 0 plus 0. If it's different, then print the line. And let's do some spaghetti code here. Go to 20, the next line. And in 40 we reached the end of file. Let's close it. Number 4. Save the program. Microdrive. Yeah, the keyboard is difficult. Read squares. Let's run it. Yeah, it worked. I think we covered everything. Deleting a file. Yeah, renaming a file, you have to copy it. Also with the move command. Move. Let's take microdrive 1. Let's take the file squares and copy it to not the screen this time, but also to microdrive unit 1 and call it backup. Backup. Okay. Cut. There's a backup. Oh yeah, I remember. I changed the right. Yeah. Let's go back to the. Let's go back to the right program. Right square. And change the loop. From 11 to 20 and run it. Writing to read file. Yeah, you can't write to an already written file. You have to erase it before. So we just put an erase here. Erase microdrive 1. No, 1. And the name is squares. And run the program again. Stream already open. Yep, forgot to close it. close 4 from the program. Yep, it's done. Just load oh boy. Read square and no, what's wrong? What was it called? Microdrive 1 read square. Okay, and run it. It worked fine. Thank you for watching, and here's just a quick note. Bye bye.